Yes! Yes! Woohoo! How do you feel?
It's about time.
It's about time.
You're being conscious.
Guess where we're at? Pismo Beach. And we're with some friends. Introduce yourself.
My name is Chris. This is Zach here.
Hi, Zach. We're at Pismo Beach. We parked over here. You left your window open, dude.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, the back window. You want to go lock it? Oh my god, hold on. Look at that chain though. Look at that chain though. So where are we going? We're gonna go eat. Is this the clam festival? I don't know.
Yeah, some kind of festival happening.
Oh, let's go find out. We had to wait for the tide to go down, as you can see. It's going down so that I could drive on the beach. You want to take a picture of the sign?
Yeah.
Right there it says, with all the people in front.
Can we take a picture of me and Zach?
For sure. Brad's. Yeah, fish tank. Brad's restaurant.
Are you guys from here? No, from the Bay Area.
My goodness.
Oh my good. Would you like a shrimp cocktail?
Golden chowder.
Okay, it's a golden chowder.
It is the best chowder.
It's a golden chowder.
This
It's the
shrimp looks
best
so
chowder.
good.
Why are you laughing?
She kept saying it. It was like, it just
She kept saying it.
again and again.
It's a golden chowder. Thank you. How'd you like Brad's?
I liked Brad's. It was pretty good.
You like the golden chowder?
No, I mean, but they had a real good golden chowder selection, you know?
Golden. Wait, Zach, you don't want that shirt?
No, I don't.
Not LA, not the Bay?
Zach,
You don't want to
know-
rep it?
Do you know what this is, Zach?
Look at that.
This is a Walkman. I know you've never seen this.
So we're coming up on Oceano Campgrounds. Let's see how it is getting to the entrance. Let's hope we can cross this.
You gonna let us go?
We'll find out. Faux show. Sounds like it's coming from our car.
It does. It does sound like it.
After the stream is where you can camp?
Yeah, past pool marker 2,
Okay.
then you make your own spot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're going down. At least Koji's in front of us so that he has a big ass toe strap. Oh, hold on. The more important thing is, you ready for this?
What?
Traction control off. Bam. There we go. Traction control off.
Yeah, I just turned the electric ESC off, and
Yeah.
the traction control off.
All right.
I raised it up on the airbags.
Oh, well, hold on. Let me do that too. Just kidding,
no.
no.
Put it in off-road.
All right, we'll follow you. So, what are you doing over here, man?
I was just airing down the tires, you know. Just truck shit out here.
Doing some truck stuff.
Truck stuff.
Letting out some hot air.
I like this thing. This thing's pretty easy.
Hey, look where we're at. I might have to follow you. I don't know where we're going.
Oh yeah.
We have to cross the creek first, and that's where the camping spots are.
But so actually, we can camp. I think we're already at the camping spot.
I got my video. Oh, there was no creek. Ooh, it was dry. Ooh-wee. Oh, look at that. We went too far. We went way over there to the end, and there's nothing there. So we gotta go back over here.
Yeah, we gotta try to get up there.
Let's go further up here so I can do it. Yep, so we got stuck. Yeah, we are now stuck. Okay, so before I drive up here, I gotta go see this right here.
Can we use
Oh no, look at him. Oh no.
I was good, and then over here it just gets so like thick and choppy. I thought maybe this would be a good spot, you know?
Aired out everything. I'm getting the shovel in here and we're digging.
Nice.
We're digging. Let me Look at this. This is the most I've ever seen this guy work.
Dude, we're super deep.
Yeah. So how do you feel about your dad's judgment here? Telling me to go up this when he got stuck over there. There he goes running. He's gonna put on a hitch now. Tie it on there. Let's see if this works. Are you ready for this? You excited? Yeah. How do you feel? You're like, eh, whatever.
It's about time.
It's about time. Halftime report.
Woo!
Yeah, how do you feel?
Made it, man. I'm gonna get my chain back out. That was a big project. No, but that was fun though.
So I asked Zach, I'm like, hey, so how do you feel about your dad? He said, about time. I think we found our spot.
Yeah.
Look at this. Ooh, it's flat. Hey, look at that. We set up right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. This is actually flat and straight. What do you think?
I like it.
Everybody, this is called the roof nest. This is the basic. It's basic enough for us. It's not extra large. We are small people. This roof nest actually came with this little porta potty type of showering area. This is our camping setup. We're not fully set up, but we're set up.
What are you trying to do?
Well, with my allergies, I am making a pressurized shower. Right here. See that? I'm missing a piece.
Wow. He's still trying to make himself a shower.
Don't record me picking my nose. What the hell?
All right. Let's see if it works. All right. Okay. This is not working.
That hell of wood.
Nice. And therefore, I'm cooking it off the stove top. Woo!
Alright, when those steaks right there, those steaks.
Really good.
Beef. What's for dinner? Welcome to Pismo. Get our setup. What do you have there?
This is how I would rinse up while camping. I have a tabo. I have a biodegradable soap. And I have this cool thing right here.
And warm luke water. Is it hot?
Lukewarm water. Yes.
All right.
It's warm enough.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Good luck. So this gentleman over here has some steaks getting ready to be made. Oh, already done. Look at that temperature right there. Woo! Yeah. This gentleman and the scholar bought me some Benadryl, and I can open my eyes now.
He's alive. Hey, this campsite is lit though.
Look at this.
Like we're at Pismo Beach with lights and steaks
Yes.
at sunset. Doesn't really get much better.
I think the only thing we're missing right now is a nice shower. Like, that's a shower. But I think a nice shower and a nice toilet, because those toilets over there were nasty. Dinner served. Ooh, yeah.
Having these pop-ups and these festoon lights, you know what I mean, on this perfect sunset, it makes this a real civilized dinner, you know what I mean? It doesn't feel like we're camping or like we're like,
not doing
it doesn't feel like we're roughing
They're
it,
messing
like
up.
we're eating steak under festoon lighting while we listen to the waves crash.
He said
Which is-
festoon.
Yeah, they're called festoon lights.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, we started the fire right here, but we're gonna get it going. Here we go. Oh, looks like he's pissing. All right, that's a fire. Marshmallows,
Graham crackers.
graham crackers. Dang, look at that flashlight. They're gonna go clamming.
Let's go clamming.
Go clamming. All right,
You're at Pismo. You gotta do it how they do in Pismo. And catch an entire giant clam.
Dude, look at
First try.
that. I should put the pan over here for the. Dude, that thing is sizzling. Look at that. That thing's gonna have the seasoning of the steak.
Alright, you ready?
Who's ready?
This is the most Pismo Beach shit that you could do. Like, we're from here now. We could say we're from Pismo.
Oh no, pull it out. Looks like, yeah, so they would just toss that clam back in there. Someone's gonna try to eat it with that sauce. Cutting up this.
Very medium.
Ooh, look at that.
Very rare.
Just contemplating life.
Get a little tiny.
Alright. Ready? One. There's just a clam.
It's just like did you spit it out?
No, he went like this and he put it down.
Oh, you put it back? Oh, what a cheater.
Oh, to be honest, it tastes like.
I want you to be
chowder.
honest.
Straight clam chowder.
All right, cool.
Like straight clam chowder.
Nice.
Like a bowl of
It is a
fresh clam chowder.
clam.
Yes.
It's actually really good.
All right, we're leaving our spot. I had a bad allergy reaction and I couldn't do anything and record, so
We still had a great time.
yeah, we did.
Tide is coming in.
See that? There it is. And here we go. Take it easy. Have fun.
Time.
You have fun,
Bye,
Zach? Yeah, we'll do it again. Later.
Woohoo! We're through! Yes, yes, yes!
Get stuck in the ruse.
Yeah, we did it! That was awesome!
We made it!
We made it! Each one?